How to fix Instagram story repeating glitch. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this Instagram story repeating glitch. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first way that we're going to try is to make sure that our Instagram app is up to date. So to do that, just go visit your App Store or your Play Store if you have an Android and search for Instagram right here. So type in Instagram and click on Instagram. When it says update over here, I'll just tap on that and that will update your app and you will have the latest features with the bug fixes and everything. However, if it says open, that means that your Instagram is currently up to date, so you don't have a problem with that. However, if you have made sure that your Instagram is updated, but you still have that problem of the Instagram story repeating itself, the next thing that we are going to try is to offload the app. So to offload the app is to go to the settings right here, scroll down a bit, and click on General. Click on iPhone Storage and wait for this to load. So you will see a list of apps right here. So let's just click on Instagram over here. And what you're going to do is click on Offload App. So this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. So offloading Instagram app will basically clear the cache and also reset the files inside that might contain the bug or something like that. And hopefully that will fix the Instagram story repeating glitch. And if that still doesn't work, the last resort you can do is to reinstall the app. So just press and hold on Instagram right here. Click on remove app and that will uninstall the app, and also that step might delete all your drafts, all your real drafts or your feed post drafts, so you have to take note on that and just reinstall the Instagram app through the App Store or with your Play Store. That is how you can basically fix Instagram story repeating glitch. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.